part 1 was supposed to be a one-day chicken coop build. Yeah, that didn't go to plan. So now I'm back to finish it properly. Walls, nesting boxes, mesh, doors, and all the little annoying jobs that make this thing actually work. It's not going to be perfect, but the goal's simple. Build a safe chicken coop, keep it budget friendly, and get it ready for the girls. At the end of part 1, I had the main frame together, the floor in, and the nesting box starting to take shape. But it still wasn't much of a chicken coop yet. There was no roof, the walls were still open, and there were a lot of little details left before this thing was anywhere near ready for chickens. So before I could worry about all of the finishing touches, the next big job was getting the roof sorted. Rafters first, then the roofing sheets, then the ridge cap. Welcome back to Aussie Dad Project. Today's episode is part 2 of our chicken coop build. Today it's pretty much we're going to work on the roof, get the rafters built. I've got a pattern built in here, so yeah, mark all them up, get all them cut. If we get that done, we'll start to try and clad it, get everything, get the final touches on it, get the roof on, and hopefully get a chicken coop finished this weekend. This is my pattern. So we've got the bird mouth cut here and the angle cut here. It's going to go on this, I don't know what this centre beam's called, but it's going to go up here. I've got to move that up, and that's how it's going to be. So now I've got that, I can copy it onto all of the other, 70 by 35 timbers, and then I can make, I think I'm going to make like sort of 4 sides, so 8 rafters in total. Should be plenty strong enough for a chicken coop. So yeah, let's get stuck into that, hey? Mark them all up, get it all ready. Make sure they're somewhat the same length. We're good. Yeah, that's all right. Mint. Cooking with gas now, so now we just need to keep patterning them away. Cut 8 of them. Once 8 are cut, I'll then do the bird's mouths. Eight done. The rafters were one of those jobs I had a rough plan for, but I'd never done rafters before, so I still had to take it slow and work it out as I went. Once the first few went in, the shape of the coop changed straight away. It finally started feeling less like a box on a frame and more like an actual little structure. I got 4 rafters on here, and then my phone battery went flat. So now we're jumping to the next day. The rest of the rafters are on, the timber battens are on, and now it's time to get the roofing sheets up.
I didn't get much done yesterday. Joanna had netball, so I had made. That's okay. I worked on it for about a couple of hours yesterday and got all the roof rafters done, got the battens on, so which was a good effort. So I got to cut the roof sheets today, get them on, clad the thing so that it's airtight, well not airtight, but so that it's protected from the weather. The chickens are ready, so I've got to get this done today, get it up there, and we should have chickens in the next couple of days, which should be super cute. I just installed that piece. Oh, looks alright. I think once I get the sheets of iron on as well and get it all done, it's going to look even better.
With the rafters and battens done, it was time for the roofing sheets. Firstly, I had to measure up and cut all the roofing sheets to size. This was the part I was really looking forward to, because until the roof was on, this thing still felt pretty exposed. Getting these sheets up meant the coop finally had some cover. And suddenly, it felt like I was getting past the skeleton stage of the build. Then I added the ridge cap, which was one of the small jobs that make this whole thing feel a whole lot more finished. At this point, the roof was officially done, and then, in true part 2 fashion, my phone went flat again. So the video is about to jump forward pretty hard. When I come back, the cladding is done, and I'm left with the small finishing jobs that somehow take longer than the big ones. Okay, so we only had to move the coop 30 metres, which sounds easy, until you realise the thing is way too heavy to carry. So we somehow managed to squeeze it onto the trailer, move it up to its spot, and then push it into place. It fits, and honestly, I'm very glad we didn't try and carry it. Now the coop's in its spot. Up next is me finishing off the veranda and getting it ready for the girls to call this place home. Alright, it's been pouring with rain the last few days here in the Adelaide Hills, and I haven't been able to get anything done, but today finally there is a reprieve in the rain. Got some blue skies over yonder, so hopefully I can get some work done here today. We're so close to budget. I think I'm over budget once I've bought the chicken wire. It's going to be, I'm going to be close. I'm probably going to need to go out to the sawmill or Bunnings and get some more timber. Things are coming along. Chicken coop's looking good. Really love it. We've dug the trenches around the border here to bury the wire. Let's get stuck into finishing this. Who knows how it's going to turn out. Hopefully it's going to turn out alright. I'm just I didn't draw this up on SketchUp, so I'm going completely off of my brain here. So it could be disastrous, but we'll see how we go. Alright.
We keep on moving. We keep on moving along. We keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We keep on moving. We keep on moving along. We keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we ain't slowing it down. Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Gotta do it right now. You know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium. Pull up with a team and I'm ain't worried about the other side. They know that they ain't beating. I'm on everything I love. Work to the man above. Keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, though. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are Interscope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint, cause we know it's really working. Keep on moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never slowing down, never moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never gonna lose because we in it for the movement. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play into their amusement. If we trying, we ain't dying. Never sleep, never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete. Get your reps in, get your reps in, get your. Never rest on a past success. You gotta love what you do if you tryna be the best. Keep on moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never slowing down, never moving.
And there you go, chicken coop done. It has taken so much longer than I wanted it to, or anticipated. I mean, it's been over a month now since I started this thing, probably a month and a half. But that's all right, here's what it is. The chickens are here now, they're growing up. Budget-wise, I know that was my challenge, was to stay under $600. I failed my challenge miserably. The timber that I bought was around $550. This chicken wire, the flashing and the latches and things cost me around another $200, $250. So, I'm up to that $750, $800 mark. So I went couple $100 over budget, which is still a pretty good effort when you look at coops like this online. I wouldn't have been able to buy it for that, so I'm pretty happy with it. Chickens are nice and safe. Everything that we've done, the steps that we've taken, I think is, you know, going to keep them nice and secure. Still got a couple of little things that we want to do actually. If there's any fellow chicken owners out there, drop a comment and let us know what you do. We want to install a dust bath. Where would you guys install the dust bath? You know, they've only got a little area here that will be undercover, so we want to put it somewhere in here for them, make sure that it stays nice and dry. We are going to extend the run out that side of the coop. In between my phone going flat, I tried to film as much as I could, but the phone went flat a lot because obviously you do big projects like this, they take hours. The phone can't record for hours, it needs charging, so that is what it is. If you've liked the video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, would really appreciate it, and I will see you on the next Aussie Dad Project build. Thanks for watching.
Do you want to put him up there?
Yeah.